Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, using quadratic formula solve the following quadratic equation. And the given equation is 9x to the power 2 minus 9a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. So guys, we are going to solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. And this particular equation, this is also one of the important question, because this came twice in the CBSE board examination, first in 2004 and then in 2009. So let us see how quickly and how easily we are able to solve this type of questions. Now, the given question is 9x to the power 2 minus 9a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. This is what being given. Now guys, let us compare this one with the quadratic equation identity. So quadratic equation identity states that ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is what. So let us try to extract the value of a, b and c from the above given equation. So if you look at ax to the power 2, so our a is equal to 9 here. And similarly, if you look to bx, so our b is equal to 9 minus 9 into a plus b. And c, this value of c, the value of c is equal to 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. So the value of c is a constant, and this is what we have. The whole figure is the value of c. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. We very well know that a quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is what the formula, or this is how we are going to, this is the quadratic formula in fact. So this is how we are going to solve this quadratic equation. Now let us first of all find out this value b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, first of all we'll find out b square minus 4ac, and then we will utilize this one in our given quadratic formula. So b square, here our b value is minus 9 into a plus b. So this is what our b value. So let us take the b as minus 9 a plus b, and this is b square. So just I'm squaring it, minus 4 into a is 9 into c is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. This is what we have got now. Or b square minus 4ac, or b square minus 4ac, we can write this one as, here it is minus 9 into a plus b to the power 2. So this also can be written as minus 9 to the power 2 a plus b to the power 2. Nothing will be wrong if I write the above equation like minus 9 into a plus b to the power 2 as minus 9 to the power 2 into a plus b to the power 2. Minus 4 into 9 minus 4 into 9 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. This is what we have now. Now we are just solving this one and trying to find out the value for b square minus 4ac. Or I can write, or b square minus 4ac is equal to, this one I can write, minus 9 square is 81, 9 nines are 81, so it became positive, and a plus b whole square, it is like a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a plus b whole square. Minus, the minus 9 fours are 36, so I can write 36 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Guys, I'm doing step by step so that each and every one can understand easily what I'm doing. Without ignoring and without jumping in step, I'm doing step by step, each and every step. Now, this can be written as 81 into, let us multiply like this, 81a square plus 81 into 2, which is 162ab, 162ab plus 81b square. Then what we can do, then I can write minus 36 into 2a square is 72a square minus 36 into 5ab, which is 180 minus 180ab, then minus 72b square. This is what I got after solving the above question. Now let us further solve this one. B square minus 4ac is equal to, so here it is 81a square and here it is 72a minus 72a square. So 81 minus 72 is 9a square, 9a square. Then here it is minus 162ab and here it is, sorry, here it is plus 162ab and here it is minus 180ab. Then we will get definitely minus 18, because 180 minus 16 is 18ab, minus 18ab. Then plus 9b square. How? Because 81b square minus 72b square is again 9b square. This is what we got. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is equal to, taking 9 as a common out, I can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is what I can write after taking 9 a square minus 9 as a common from the equation. Or I can write, or b square minus 4ac is equal to, this I can write 3 square, 9 is nothing but 3 square, and a square minus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a minus b whole square. So let us keep now these values as it is and put this value for b square minus 4ac in the above quadratic equation formula. So our quadratic equation formula says that x is equal to minus b. So minus b, what is b value? We got b value as what we got? We got b as minus, we got b value as minus 9 into a plus b, if you look here. So b value is minus 9 into a plus b. Let us write, so x is equal to minus b. So minus 9 into a plus b, minus 9 into a plus b. This is what we have. Then plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, we got 3 to the power 2 into a minus b to the power 2. So the root over of 3 to the power 2 into a minus b to the power 2 upon 2a, 2 into 9. The value of a is 9. So this is what we got now. Now let us solve this particular quadratic equation. Or x is equal to, I can write, or x is equal to, I can write minus, let the minus be outside and let me multiply minus 9a minus 9 minus 9b minus 9b plus or minus, guys, here it is 3 to the power 2 and a minus b to the power 2 root over. Then definitely I will get here only 3 into a minus b upon, because the root over of 3 square is 3 and the root over of a minus b square is a minus b upon 18. Or let us keep this one as 2 into 9 as it is. Or I can write x is equal to, now let us multiply this minus with this one. We will get minus into minus, it will become plus. So plus 9a plus 9b plus or minus 3a minus 3b. This is one part, and the bottom part is 2 into 9, which is nothing but 18. Let us multiply it and keep it 18. Now from this particular equation, we can now segregate this equation into two parts of x. So I can write, or x is equal to 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b upon 18 is one part, and the other part is x is equal to 9a plus 9b minus 3a minus 3b. This is what I can write the other part of the equation upon 18. Or x is equal to, now let us open the brackets, 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b upon 18. And here similarly, if we open the bracket, we will get x is equal to 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b upon 18. So this is what we got, 9a plus 9b, 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b upon 18. This is what we got. Now guys, let us solve it further. Or I can write x is equal to, here it is 9a and 3a, which becomes 12a. 12a, then 9b minus 3b is 6b plus 6b upon 18. And here we will get x is equal to 9a minus 3a, which comes to 6a, plus 9b plus 3b, which comes to 12b upon 18. This is what we got now. Now let us further solve it. Or x is equal to, taking 6 as a common here, I can write x is equal to 6 into a plus b upon 18. And here also I can take 6 as a common and I can write 6 into a plus, sorry, here it will be 2a plus b, because here it is 12a. So here I will get a plus 2b upon 18. Or x is equal to 2a plus b upon 3. How? Because 6 3 is 18. So 2a plus b upon 3, and here we will get x is equal to 6 3 is 18. We will get x is equal to a plus 2b upon 3. So what we got? We got one as x is equal to 2a plus b upon 3, and the other one as x is equal to a plus 2b upon 3. So guys, these are our two values of x, or the two roots of x. One is this one and the other one is this one. That is x is equal to 2a plus b upon 3 and x is equal to a plus 2b upon 3. Hope guys you understood this process or the steps that I followed to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation after solving it using the quadratic formula. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Hope guys you understood this one very well, but still if you have any question, do not forget to reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.